Welcome to Azure Data Factory tutorial. In the previous video, we discussed what is pipeline and activities in Azure Data Factory. In this video, we are going to see the demo of pipelines and activities in Azure Data Factory. Let's move on to the Azure portal. Okay, so this is my Azure portal and I already have signed in it. So after that, search for here data factories. After you search for data factories, in the previous video, we have discussed how to create the data factories. If you have the data factory, please click here. Otherwise, please click here, create. So already I have the data factory, so I'm using my previous data factory. Once I click in here previous data factory, so I need to open into the new browser. So this is my Azure Data Factory. So this is the home page of Azure Data Factory. And the second one is Author tab. Next one is Monitor. And the last one is Manage. So we are going to discuss the main thing is Author tab. So if you click on the Author tab, so here we can come to know the pipelines and data sets. So we are discussing more about here pipelines in this Azure Data Factory or in this video. So if you click here the three dots, so we'll get here three things. One is a new pipeline or you can create a folder. So just I'm clicking here the new pipeline and here under the properties, we should give here the name of the pipeline. So I'm giving here pipeline ADF demo. So you can give your convenient name. After this is the workspace where we are going to work of Azure Data Factory. So in the previous video, we have seen the activities also. The activities is nothing but logical units to perform a single activity. So here we have the different types of activities. The first one is move and transform. And the different types of activities we have. Suppose if I want to copy the activity data from, so just copy and select the copy and drag it here. If you are feeling facing difficulty to find out the which type of activity you want, just click on search bar, copy. Then we'll get here and copy and drag here. And here again you should give the name of the activity. So the copy activity, copy data from source to sink. Source to sink. And if you want to give here some description, and we'll see all the remaining things in upcoming videos. And here we should mention the source and here the sink and mapping and other settings also. After you are giving all the things, you should validate for any errors or bugs. Once you completed, so we should go for debugging and we should focus on our triggers also. So what do you mean by trigger and what are the different types of trigger? This also we'll learn in upcoming videos. This is the only demo session of pipelines. If you click here the source, so it is asking here data set. So what is the data sets? And when we use all these things, we'll learn in the next video. Thank you.